So let's say that we're in BoxCutter. I hold Alt and scroll over to basically get to end gone, and we start drawing our shape out. And from here we press spacebar to apply, and then we bring a cut down. Just bring this over and cut up and bring another cut in. In fact, we probably want to recall that using hops so we can dial that back a little bit more. This one's the one that we want to dial back so it looks something cool like that. However, let's say we want to cut a piece in that fit this. This is where recut would come in handy. So we'll start off just by drawing a red line around. Of course, we're in wire mode because we don't want any obstructions. And we're just going to cut this so it fits in nicely. Something like that. And we'll just bring it in, and we'll press X to convert it to a slice, and we'll press AltX to convert it to a recut. So instead of slicing it out, and instead cut it off of the unmodified version of the mesh, basically allowing us to quickly create a side. An interesting use to use for this is if we were to, say, draw a box cut inside like that, or you know what, let's use HardOps for this. Let's select this, and if we shift click Smart Apply under the Q menu, we can make a quick duplicate. And we're just going to inset that face and press Control I to delete everything else, and we'll just give that a little bit of solidification. Maybe even press 2 to push it out both ways. Select both of them and perform a difference, and that's nice and all, but let's say we want to fill that in. We can press Alt W to switch over to Hops tool, and just by bringing down Grade, we can just shift click something like Diamond, and we see that the shape has been placed to automatically fill this portion. So in a way, we were able to quickly add a nice grid inside of this formation just using the power of recut and then Hops.